Hello dear students, our today's topic is synthesis of chlorpromazine. This drug belongs to the therapeutic category of antidepressant drugs. Now let's move on to the structure of this compound. This is the structure for chlorpromazine. Look at the name chlorpromazine. This gives us some hint regarding presence of some structural features. This chlor stands for presence of this chlorine. Pro stands for presence of this 3 carbon chain, which is propyl, and azine stands for this tricyclic phenothiazine ring. The nomenclature of this compound is this one. As I mentioned in my previous video that for the priority order of the basic functional groups, in this case, this 3 carbon chain along with this nitrogen will become the basic functional moiety. So we will call it propanamine because it is a 3 carbon chain, and in case of amines we will write the IUPAC name as per alkane amine. So it will become propanamine. So this will be our basic functional moiety. On nitrogen we have 2 methyl groups. So we will write here NN dimethyl propane 1 amine. On this third carbon of propanamine we have this 2-chloro-phenothiazine ring, which is attached by its position number 10. So the IUPAC name will become 3, that means on this 3, 2-chloro 10H phenothiazine 10-il NN dimethyl propanamine. This drug is exclusively used as antipsychotic drug, and it is highly useful in treatment of acute and chronic psychosis. Next, move on to the synthesis of this compound, which is very simple and 2 or 3 step synthesis it is there. The starting material is this one, which is called as 3-chloro-N-phenyl-aniline. The basic functional moiety is aniline over here. So on nitrogen we have a phenyl, and on position number 3 we have a chlorine. So it will become 3-chloro-N-phenyl-aniline. This react with elemental sulfur in presence of iodine, which act here as oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the sulfur, and the oxidized sulfur then get attached on to the ortho positions related with this amino group on the benzene ring. So for this will be the ortho position and this will be the ortho position. So with both this position, the oxidized sulfur will get attached and it will make up a cycle to give us a tricyclic ring system. So the product obtained in this condition is this one, which is called as 2-chloro-10H phenothiazine. This phenothiazine derivative is very weakly basic in nature. This react with this compound, which is called as 3-chloropropyl dimethylamine, and the reaction takes place in presence of sodium amide. It is very important reagent used over here. The amide ion takes this hydrogen so that it will make ammonia. The hydrogen gives the electron to the nitrogen. So nitrogen will acquire a full negative charge over here and it will become a very powerful nucleophile. So this powerful nucleophilic nitrogen then attack on this carbon which is attached with chlorine and thus bring about the substitution for this chlorine as chloride ion, which is also a nucleophile. So it is a nucleophilic alkyl substitution reaction. In this case it is SN2 type of reaction. So with this reaction we will get the elimination of HCl molecule from here and the attachment of this propylamine chain onto this nitrogen to give us formation of this compound, which is called as chlorpromazine. But it is a very bulkier structure due to presence of the too many carbons. So this compound is a non-polar compound and it has very poor water solubility. So to enhance its polarity, that means to increase its water solubility, the chlorpromazine is made into its salt form. As there is presence of this tertiary amine, that means the compound is basic in nature, so it is treated with hydrochloric acid. So the reaction of this base with HCl will quaternize the nitrogen, that means the hydrogen goes on to the nitrogen, due to which it will acquire the positive charge, and with it will remain in contact through ionic bond, this chloride ion. So the pole is generated and the compound will become polar in nature, that means it has the water solubility now. So in this way it gets converted to chlorpromazine hydrochloride. So dear students, that is all about the synthesis of chlorpromazine and its hydrochloride salt. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.